giving us somewhat of a range motion in between 34.74 and 36.79. So just been bouncing back and forth in between these two zones here as such. So in the up and coming weeks to come, I'm thinking that this thing is still in an upwards move. We are definitely rangy. The elite system is saying that we're rangy. So it should be interesting. I still feel like we need to retest closer up there to the blue zone at 36.79 here this week. Moving down into the daily time frame, you can see that we still have some space to the upside. The zone looks a little bit different on here. It's actually 36.80 is where the daily zone begins. So I could easily see us moving up there this coming week. And again, that would be a little bit of space that we have before getting up into that point, but it would be really nice to see price move up into that area. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, we do have some resistance to break through here at 37.11 up to 37.50. So be prepared to hit some of that resistance as price moves to the upside. So just a little bit of stuff that we have going on there. Price could easily move to the upside over the next week, but be aware of resistance levels coming into effect as it does so. Looking at AMD here on the daily time frame, you can see that price is moving to the downside steadily, and it's been kind of following this trend line loosely. We find ourselves up high inside of this zone from 12.58 up to 13.76 here on the daily time frame. And we seem to be pushing to the downside just a little bit here as well. Okay, so as price is pushing to the downside, I think there's definitely that opportunity for price to go down to 11.10 and into that daily support zone or daily demand zone down below us. So that would definitely be the playing the top of the range and pushing it down even lower. Okay. Back down into the lows, so be looking for that to have some major playability in the up and coming week. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, you can see that the real line in the sand is this bottom here of this support zone at 12.13. Price can break below that, then I think we could easily see price start rolling back down into the $11 amount. Okay, so but the real question is, will the bottom of this zone stick here? And if it does stick here, then we could go up even higher. But right now, I feel like this is the little bit of a range period that we've been going in through for the past couple days, just to see how strong is this high up here. Okay, is it going to be super duper strong or not? So price is going to tell us here in the next day or two, and if it fails, then I could easily see it going down to 11. If it doesn't fail, then price can obviously push up into the $13 and $14 amounts, I think, pretty easily. So that's what I'm looking to have happen this coming week.